This is POCO C40, and today we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to somehow launch the keyboard. I'll use the Google search bar widget for it. Next, once at the keyboard, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. If it is not present over here at this, quick access menu, you can tap on these three horizontal dots in order for the additional settings, the additional keyboard options to appear, and in here you'll be definitely able to find the clipboard. So once at the clipboard page, turn on this toggle and the clipboard itself will be activated. Next, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on this pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like, on the other hand, for something to be edited to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy any, text unit or text piece, whatever. So once I copy this nonsense that I have just typed in, and we'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that it has been successfully added as its most recent element. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.